Hello everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and today I want to let you know that time is running out if you want to save $500 on starting your CDL training. During this whole coronavirus season, what we've actually been doing is to help people out is we've decided to give everybody a $500 discount off the entire cost of the CDL training itself. So that being said, that is about to end. Why? Because we're about to open up this coming Monday, which is going to be June 8th. So the last day that you can take advantage of this $500 discount is going to be tomorrow, which is going to be Saturday. So you want to make sure, if this is something that you want to do, make sure you put down at least your deposit to lock yourself in. If you want to find out more information, give us a call, 908-525-3609. I will definitely be able to walk you through the entire process and show you exactly how we can save you $500. Now imagine this. Putting down $500 now, you don't have to start the training right away if you don't have the rest of the money to pay yet. All you have to do is lock yourself in, and then you're going to save yourself $500 off the entire course. So let me give you a specific example. One of our most popular courses is our guaranteed training course, which is a total of 160 hours of training. That course is going to be guaranteed to get your license because we're going to give you 160 hours of actual training, and then we're going to give you unlimited tries at the test itself. That course normal price is going to be $4,200, but with this $500 discount, you're going to get that course for only $3,700. That's right, $3,700. That's a steal. We've never given a course that low before, but we're doing that to help people out during this time of need. We understand that getting yourself a CDL license is one of the best things that you can do for yourself, because even truck drivers are working now, and they've been working this entire time when you've been probably stuck at home. So say you don't have $3,700 to pay it off. You don't need $3,700. If you want to lock yourself into that $3,700 price before that discount goes away forever, all you have to do is give us a call and put a deposit over the phone of $500, and then we can walk you through the entire process from there. Alright, so give us a call, 908-525-3609, and we'll definitely be able to help you out. What do you get for the $500 deposit? One, you're going to lock in that discount. That's never going to happen again. Two, we're also going to give you online access to all the training material that you need. So for instance, if you need to still get your CDL permit, we're going to give you an online training platform that you can log into anytime from your home or smartphone. And what you actually will do is get the exact information that we would give you in the classroom, but you can do it from the comfort of your home. And you don't have to make any other payments until you're ready to make payments and come in for the actual training itself. So if money is an issue for you, right now is the best time and really the only time that you should be getting yourself a CDL license, because why spend an extra $500 when you don't have to, right? So if you have $500 to put down, give us a call. If you don't have the full $500, we might be able to work out a deal with you. Give us a call. Maybe we'll work out a deal where you put down a little bit less and we can lock you in on that price. We want to help out as many people as possible. Our main mission is to help 1 million people get on the road to freedom. So if you definitely want to save $500 and you don't want to be spending an extra $500 when you don't have to, especially if money is tight, do this now. I want to let you know this before we officially open up. Now, for all of you who are students of ours already, if you haven't heard, we are opening up on June 8th for actual hands-on yard and road training only. We cannot offer any classroom training at the moment due to social distancing guidelines. But that being said, if you have your CDL permit already and you're ready to rock and roll and get ready for the road test, come on in, give our office a call, and we want to schedule you up. Our classes are filling up extremely fast. We have a whole bunch of students who are eager to get back on it. So if you want to start your CDL training up again, give us a call, 908-525-3609, and our team members will definitely lock you in on a schedule before they fill up quickly. Because we're not like other schools where everybody can just come in at once. We want to make sure that there's the right amount of people so then everyone has a chance to do something, and you're always staying active in the actual training yard itself. So that being said, give us a call either way, whether you're a student or whether you want to save $500, 908-525-3609. And if you want to find out more information about how to sign up for our school, maybe you want to find out more pricing or the different courses that we offer, since we do offer courses that range from $1,000 all the way up to $8,000, then all you have to do is visit the website, cdldrivingacademy.com/tour. That's cdldrivingacademy.com/tour, and you'll be able to see every single price that we do offer, and we'll be able to help you out as well. We're open up 7 days a week, so when it comes to the training, we can fit you around your own schedule. So give us a call one more time, 908-525-3609. Save the $500. I want to make sure that I help you as much as possible, and I can only do that is if you make the first commitment. So I hope to see you in person one day and hope that we get you on your road to freedom. Thanks.